So coughing and sneezing is a great way to spread germs to other people around you. So it's really important that you cover up to prevent the spread of germs. But you need to do it right. When you cough or sneeze, don't do it like this. Don't do it like this, because in both those cases, your germs are getting on your hands and then you're going to spread it to other people. Instead, always cough or sneeze like this into your elbow, since people in general aren't going to touch your elbow. So if you need to cough or sneeze, turn away from any people that are near you and cough or sneeze into your elbow.